This is the circuit diagram of notebook anti-theft protector. Here the components used in this circuit are IC TL071 CD4538, a diode namely IN4148, a piezo buzzer, a 12 volts battery, and a transistor BC558, a capacitor 47 microfarad, and some resistors of value 100 ohms, 1 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohms, and 1.5 mega ohms. The and we will be even using a tilt switch. This is a homemade switch. We will be using a plastic bottle with two stainless pins as contacts, and 2/3 of this bottle is filled with water such that these contacts never make the electrical path when this switch is in vertical position. Now let us look at the working of this circuit. IL-TL071, it is utilized as a voltage comparator with a potential divider composed of R2 and R3, delivering 50% of power supply voltage, that is 6 volts at the two pins, at the non-inverting input and at the inverting input. The inverting input gets a higher voltage through the water activated tilt switch only when the probes in the tilt switch make contact with the water. When the tilt switch is maintained in the horizontal position, the inverting input of the IC1 receives a higher voltage than its non-inverting input and the output continues to be low. The CD4538, this is utilized as a monostable multivibrator with the timing factors R5 and C1. Considering the shown values, the output of the IC2 continues to be low for the duration of 3 minutes. The CD4538 is an accuracy monostable multivibrator and it is free from incorrect triggering, and it is also much more reliable than the well-known timer IC555. Its output comes to be high when the power is turned on and it gets low when the trigger input, that is pin 5, it receives a low to high transition pulse. The circuit device, it is fixed in the notebook case in the horizontal position. In this position, the water inside the tilt switch properly shorts the contacts, so the output of IC1 continues to be low. The alarm system generates silent in the standby mode as the trigger pin of the IC2, that is the pin 5, is low. When a person attempts to grab this notebook case, the unit that is the tilt switch, it takes the vertical position and the tilt switch breaks the electrical contact between the poles. Instantaneously, the output of the IC1 comes to high and this triggers the pin 5 of the IC2, and now the low output from the IC2, it triggers the PNP transistor and the buzzer starts beeping. This is the working of the notebook anti-theft protector. Now let us look at the working of this anti-theft protector practically. This is the notebook anti-theft protector. Here we will be using the tilt switch. This is the tilt switch, the two ICs and the buzzer, and this is the battery, 12 volts battery. Now when the notebook anti-theft protector, it is in the horizontal position, the buzzer doesn't beep, and when a person tries to grab this notebook case, the person will be taking it in the vertical position, and as soon as it goes in the vertical position, the buzzer starts beeping. This is how the notebook anti-theft works.